Hi everyone, and a special to you for watching this video. Today's video is just going to be a short video, simple video. I'm just going to show you how to make some underpants for the Ken doll, well, Kevin. So just any stretchy material. You don't need to use elastic if you use a stretchy material. So I'm quickly going to show you. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I'm just going to put him on the material. His hands, open his legs a bit, and then with my koki just going to make a line around him. Just keep it straight, so that will be for the seam allowance until by his navel and start. I think that's long enough. Okay, and that's it. Just make it maybe a little bit shorter. And then I just want to come a bit in here by his waist, so I don't need to use elastic. Okay, so and then you just sew on this lines here and then this line here. So you can do it hand sew. I'm doing it on my machine, so I'll be back. So okay, I sew it on the lines here. Now I'm just going to cut it out, just close to the sewing line, just not too close. And turn it inside out. Put it on. And there you go. Now I also got some underpants. Okay. So it's a short long one, like I say, this one. Next one I'm going to make in my outfit a pair of pants and a shirt. So see you next time. Bye.